Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the effect of concentration of one of the reactants in the chemical reaction on the speed of the reaction. So we are going to read the effect of concentration on the speed of reaction regarding paper number 4, in which you have to write down an experiment. So concentrate yourself now. We are going to start. Experiment reaction is calcium carbonate plus ACl forms calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So look now, actually we are going to discuss the effect of the concentration. So only concentration will be different. Rest of the conditions of the experiment will be same, because same experiment will be conducted 2 or 3 times with only changing of concentration. Rest of the conditions for the experiment will be same. So look now, we are going to conduct the same experiment 2 times. In first experiment, the concentration of the ACl is 50 centimeter cube, 1 molarity of ACl, and in second experiment is 50 centimeter cube of 2 molarity of ACl. So look, only concentration is changed. So calcium carbonate mass is same, that is 0.2 grams in both experiment, and in both experiment room temperature is also same. So the first thing that you have to understand is rest of the conditions are same except the concentration of one of the reactants. So we have changed the concentration of the ACl in these experiments. Here will be the setup, the apparatus in which ACl will be put and some calcium carbonate will be put, and the gas carbon dioxide that will be produced will go into the syringe, and that will push the plunger to the right. So same experiment is going to be conducted for both conditions. So look now, interpretation of the data. These two types of the graphs will be produced because we will note the volume and time. So a stopwatch will be used for producing the volume of the carbon dioxide. So in first experiment, when concentration was less of ACl, some set of the values will be obtained, because of which a curve will be drawn. And for the second experiment, when concentration of the ACl was more, some set of the values again will be obtained to draw the curve. Look now how the points will be obtained. For example, after 1 minute from watching at the stopwatch, after 1 minute, we will note the volume of the carbon dioxide produced onto the figures on the syringe. So after 2 minutes may be obtained, noted. After 3 minutes will be noted. The volume of the gas produced is noted. So this is these are the values of time and volume are noted for experiment number 1. So after 3-4 values that are obtained will be plotted on the graph paper and a curve will be drawn. The same process will be repeated for the other experiment. So again, from the very beginning, the experiment will be started. So after 1 minute, we will note the volume of the carbon dioxide produced. So time and volume value, a set of the value is obtained. So after 2 minutes, same process will be done. The time is 2 minutes now, for example, and the volume is obtained. So another set of the values obtained, and up to so on 3-4 set of the values will be obtained, and we will plot on the graph paper and the other curve will be obtained. So we are drawing the two curves on the same graph paper to check the effect of the concentration on the rate of the reaction. So look now, this is curve 1, this is curve 1 for experiment 1, and this is curve 2 for experiment 2. So look now, a graph of the volume of the carbon dioxide given off against time is plotted. So time against volume is plotted. Same mass of the calcium carbonate limiting reagent is used in both experiments. Hence, the same volume of the carbon dioxide is collected in both experiments. The speed of the reaction is higher in experiment 2 because the reaction took a shorter time to complete. The gradient of the curve at time t is equal to 0 is steeper. So look at the graph again. So at time t is equal to 0, the steepness of the curve 2 is greater as compared to steepness of curve 1. This shows that the reaction in experiment 2 is faster as compared to experiment 1. So this was the effect of the concentration. So read this lecture again, understand it, make your notes. Thank you so much.